Etiefo yamamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na mesrawo ende your first time or ha subscribe na click in notification bell on so am I we ya the latest news bia ba wonsa ebeka metro se ne obesa wo screen so na trese we di so sa pepepe am I ensem bia ba e wo se ye bon komo enne da screen so no se ne obesa subscribe na we mia notification bell no we ya the latest news bia ba wonsa ebeka se ne na make na ensem bia ba so ye din komo so obeka ya. It's not even up to a week. I think just 2 days ago, me the story be breaking news na me ma moati ase se police ni bia ye fe no Emmanuel Chikudo enkrofo bi akobonitio e wo se hwiri oso said and the first time I would see assembly. Let me just give you a summary. Do you see and say say ADB, a Great Development Bank, it was a hwiri oso no a branch e wo ho na womo air transfer sika aba na to say senior banks womo ye no womo transfer sika womo wo cars be a friend bullion vans into bullion van sika wom but they be a bullion van e na police ni ekretio ediechi into womo do se hwie also no na to say womo do baby a friend no asempani ye o say as edin no na sabe mean to me boni asempani ye ana asempani ye womo do ho no that side is actually the western north is Yebeka say western north region, one of the new regions. It's only do honor that say encrophobia womu create you encrophomia nubi womu create you hona womu shase say womu di etio gukanim unfortunately no etio no eka police ni na police no wo instantly nti omo ana womu ewaka ni no de womu dwane ye supervisor, the driver, ne other people I don't want to take can him womu dwane nti hona trese police for SNA patrol team say womo nko ho enko check womo ko no womo hu bia wo ho na trese ngrofo no womo bone a womo bedi no womo edi ewie. The only thing the police saw there policeman ne body and a womo yes a womo rush na ko hospital womo de no ekodu ye no and na trese go wu ye e wo kwan so na senior medin kan no make I say Ghana has said there you are assured say police ni and assembly bar you are sure that the police will go into the final conclusion of the matter if one the person involved and the victim is a police. Also sensemba na ebia yakase o yekokunwe ya mostly na ya na Ghana for no ye ni gidie say o police for no ebetumi aya ma yehu nipa kwa yekun no. A typical example is Ahmed Swale nkofo bebre some years ago kwa okese ne manager yeko ni fie kokun no atlende oni kra wodi sa abone ne pote kra no yehu ne abrante we ni case JB Dankwa abrante na achi na tum sexy dondon atlende oni kra wota echi no yenhye da enya clear idea of oni kra wo soma sexy dondon se won kokun a certain MP JB Dankwa but how just within this year ewa Ghana police for ayekun omo nina no the police has gone down to find the culprit na betumi abobo din kaswa branch and kokun police for mienu no and then branch no wo court police for echo down echo che branch no police ni bi yebonitio police ni ba yebonitio ekuno ewo temale and am ne wo ka say woni kra wo kodi sa abone no ya che no ati ase enti no a lot of people say it's a notion police want to be deny but it looks like so would the police need bonin kwa there the police will employ all the accessories that's close to them. Actually, they will employ all the resources at their disposal to catch you, to arrest you. Say ebia the victim is a policeman. But I say ordinary citizen need there na asem na akoya hunhun I mean and the ordinary citizen bi to na na hunhun de obeye atiase because onim say we there police ni ebe say me baby amete MF committee 25 area outside and also just this year Gapoa Pini woba wono so yekokunu woni fie aptelende oni kra bokodi sa abone no yenye den yenchen ne ye ati ase nti yensensen bebra ewo ho ankrofo can but obi be say nevertheless ye bebo police for na baso because story a ban say wo mo arrest 3 people over the murder of Sergeant Emmanuel Chikudo. Na waka ADB billion van attacking him. Inti eno any story basisi say the family of the deceased no we need to say at least police for action for 3. But it's here for I don't have details as to Ngrofo 3 na ya chi omono womudin anyway no police for anfa edino anto abontin, and so we don't actually have the details, but they had say and the police for no updating, and because some of my as I said as them no they'll be updating us. Now samokaya me mamoti as I said any siwe na police for SNA patrol team call grounds for baby ade any see no. Now they had say and say police for no call grounds for no, they did an extensive search. Now em say enimu ho na wo mo ahye den hu nkrofo no, because said we wo kra na wo di boni bisa na you not be in that area. Now police for any information because wo mo asem ne yede to public na nyama no wo mo nya information. Ghana ha say won asem bi eni ho a krono asem bi eni ho a said ebe koso a wo bi enim. Em say the American no menim say moti ase bia sa kronfo akese no mostly omo won crofobia wo mo kobo krono na wo mo bo mo amane anebia ne girl bi anebia ne chochomu nchobi ubon se kronfo no na no nda na wakobo ni bakona amane na ni bakono so akoka trobi ubon se police for ba bonte se information na nkrofo na fachi se mo be kaya abrante na wokun police for 2 na nko wodwane akọ Togo no ka so okun police for ka so no so sa na ye de chi no no wadanfo bia woni no twetwe nkomo asa na danfo no eya no no be ko police station a sheda ko information na ma branch and say oh police for no mo hwehwe wa ha intimen fa ha ba sa danfo no na no anya den anda a woko geto a sebe woko twin kakra wie ya wo keka wo ho iti police for ba bonten e be ka se wo mo information no se na wo bi ate ase no wo geto e na ne bakono akobo eye police for amane na ne kre police for take action on the leader one more edechi abrantie no intino as to how the police caught these people no police for empese yebete they've not put the stories out, but they make a possible scenarios are misusu say ebetumi esi ama baby say aba. But nevertheless, Mr. So is abrofonibium. Nevertheless, that brofona made the palm. Anyway, but nevertheless, yeah, the police for us said they've arrested 3 people, but we are just hoping that these 3 people the police have arrested, no, they are actually linked, because in Semba Sana, still I'll use the same because a police killing a course this year, no, my reference I know also na meko Kaswa police for you kumo no, some kaya embra assemble by na Chinkrofo close to 10 ye ka say wo mo ka ho bi police for 2 na ye kun omo no ye Chinkrofo close to, and that me no ka say san Chinkrofo no release your money na ma ka sebe ye 2 bi pe na tre say assemble by first no ye Chinkrofo bi ma Ghana fo bi kra ye chi san Chinkrofo no yesusu omo ka ho Ghana fo bi ye chi san Chinkrofo no kra bo omo e wo police station ho etoto abobo omo, but later police for your investigation ye be hu say san Chinkrofo no kra say wo mo nya de wo mo nka ho nti asemba police for it to me pray omo ho ko Chinkrofo bi a ebetuni abase san Chinkrofo no nka. We just hope say san Chinkrofo we enye false alarm bi na e de akwachi omo, because Takrade just in that same western region and that same western regional area no Takrade MPP treasure yekobo nitio wo bi ko twa ntro say onimobi a wo ye say yekoche san nipa kro no sebe nipa kro no police for bebo na wo mo bo no, because indeed no mususu say na san nipa kro no na wo supply etio e ma yekokun sa Takrade, but police for no investigation no we hu say Abrante and say no cry he knows nothing about the death police for releasing no, and the papa wa wrong information no onu mu na police for ekoche na and them no work say ya prosecuting no intino ya dia esi say ya Chinkrofo 3 na nche say wo mo san Chinkrofo 3 no na edi bone no ebetumi abase further investigation be show say Chinkrofo ne cry they don't know anything about it. So that's the matter, that's the story coming through. Me pese mo share mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo. Na still no Emmanuel Chikudo, may his soul rest in peace. Now I feel say the actual thing na police for no ebetumi aye ama sebe Emmanuel Chikudo the family omuniaje and say if he was taking up some responsibilities, mostly no obe want to say these people star police for a teacher for no mostly obe come fie no na wo mo ne breadwinners no say bibia ba wo mo na wo mo tiska eye den eye into no we just pray say o won ba wo won yere a ana wo won krofo a wo hwe mo so a and there woni ho na he died in the line of duty into no police for ebehwe ne say saa dodo de na sebe na wote ase wo de ma no still eto enye den entwa. Into things like that will actually encourage the police force at here, people in the police force to work their hearts out, because we'll be a sebe o bosika ho ban police for us and what was a bosika ho ban wo kra no amba wotrim se wo kretu amba wotrim se wo be bosika no kro no wo bo ho ban ama wo bi ebekun wo ho. Into no I feel say things like this, yeah, they share your security forces ni mo a ebe to me aboa. Montreal mo adwen comment box no mo tie for me da say.